The award was named after Norman McConney, and it's presented by the SUNY Chancellor, and it recognizes students whose journey to success are remarkable. Their accomplishment, it talks about how grit and rigor and how you still keep going even though there's challenges presented to you. It's an award of excellence, and you were nominated and you were chosen, so we are very, very happy for you.
We nominated you for the award, and you are receiving the award.
Thank you.
And we're videoing it because they're probably going to show it. Congrats. Oh,
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank
so proud of you.
So you have truly given back to your community and poured into other students. And I just want to say we appreciate you for all that you have done. We thank you. You gotta get it.
And that is Dania Vega is SUNY's 2023 recipient of the Norman R. McConney Jr. Award for Educational Opportunity Program Student Excellence.
Thank you.
And it's our honor to bestow this to you.
Yes, congratulations.
We are pleased to inform you that you have been chosen as a recipient of the Norman R. McConney Jr. Award for EOP Student Excellence for the 2022-2023 academic year. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, congratulations. Thank you.
We're really proud of you.
Hey Muhammad, I just want to let you know that you just won the McConney Award.
Oh wow, thank you, appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You are Buffalo SUNY's representative for the Norman R. McConney Award for student excellence and strength in overcoming personal obstacles, and you'll be representing EOP SUNY Buffalo. So congratulations. We're really proud of you.
Congratulations, Bree.
Oh, thank you.
Surprise. Well deserved. Well deserved.